Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing standing water and clearing the area so you can see edges. This reduces slipping and lets you work cleanly. Put on gloves and set tools within reach. Once done, examine the rectangular cover closely for screws, clips, or a recessed lip. That inspection tells you whether to pry, unscrew, or lift. Begin by attempting to locate and loosen any visible fastener. This first tactile step prevents damage and reveals the true removal method. You proceed methodically. If screws are present, use the correct driver and remove them in a diagonal pattern to relieve tension. If there are no screws, slide a thin flat pry bar under one short edge and tap gently with a rubber mallet to break the seal. Working corner to corner prevents cracking. Once the lip loosens, use needle nose pliers to lift clips or tabs. Make sure to support the opposite side so the cover doesn't tilt and damage the flange. You now lift the rectangular cover straight up, supporting it evenly to avoid warping. Set it aside on a protected surface. Inspect the flange, gasket, and surrounding mortar for residue that caused adhesion. Clean and replace the gasket if torn, or chip away old mortar carefully. If the cover remains stubborn, heat a putty knife area briefly to soften sealant or score and cut hardened caulk. But make sure to protect tiles and avoid excessive force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.